Proteins are the workhorses of our cells, and they do these really important jobs that include carrying messages, building structures, and even speeding up chemical reactions. But where exactly do proteins come from? It all starts in the nucleus, which stores our DNA in the form of chromatin. And DNA is like the instruction manual for making every single protein in our body. But inside the nucleus, there's a specialized area called the nucleolus. And the nucleolus makes ribosomal RNA and it's going to gather cytoplasmic proteins. And then these two pieces, they are going to combine to form something called ribosomal subunits. And these ribosomal subunits, they are like the building blocks of ribosomes. These subunits, they are going to leave the nucleolus through nuclear pores, leave the nucleus through nuclear pores, and travel into the cell's cytoplasm where they will assemble and have different fates. Once they are on the outside of the nucleus, ribosomes, they can either be free floating, which is represented by these green dots, or it can be attached to the endoplasmic reticulum and be known as bound ribosomes. When our ribosomes attach to the endoplasmic reticulum, it is known as the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough ER, it works sort of like in an assembly line where ribosomes are going to build proteins that are either going to stay in the cell or be sent elsewhere. And it gets called rough because the ribosomes attached to it make it look bumpy, unlike the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It does not have attached ribosomes and it's involved in making lipids and cell detoxification. So after proteins are made in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, they get put into small transport protocols vesicles, and then it gets sent to the Golgi apparatus. And the Golgi apparatus is like a post office. It's going to modify, sort, and package proteins, and it's just going to make sure that they reach the right destination, which is either inside or outside the cell. And those are the key organelles that are involved in protein synthesis. But if ribosomes are the machines that build proteins and they themselves first have to be built, how exactly does that happen? Well, watch part 2, How Ribosomes Are Made, to learn more. But for now, like and subscribe.